will need is a bowl and a spoon, glitter, shaving cream, and food coloring. I'm using yellow. You'll need Elmer's glue and detergent. Now you see that I have my glue right here. Now I'm going to add 5 to 6 food coloring drops into the glue. Then I'm going to mix it. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're going to tap it on, put it right here, and let's mix. I showed you 3 glitters, guys, but I'm only going to use one of them, which is blue. So let's start adding the blue glitter. Ooh, blue is my second favorite color. Green is my first favorite color, but look how pretty that is. I think that's enough glitter. Now mix it. And look at those bubbles right there. Oh, look how pretty this is going. Look at it. Now I'm going to add shaving cream. I think that's enough. Now it's time for my detergent to see how the slime comes out. Okay, I still have a little bit in there to see. Look at it, it's shaping its form, look. Look at the slime making its form. Whoa, it's so cool. Look how it's stretchy. Now I'm going to dig my hands into the slime. Look at it. Let's pat it a little. It's so cool. Look at it, guys. You see that glitter in there? It looks so pretty. You see my slime's all ready, so let's play with it. Whoa, look at those holes. Look at this. It's so cool. Look at these spongy holes and the glitter. Look how stretchable it is. Look at this. Subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, watch this video over and over again. Thank you for watching. Bye!